Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, man. This project's going a lot slower than I thought. It's just a lot of dirt, but I had a time lapse kind of the dam going up a little bit there. I don't know how many days we've been working on this thing, 3-4 days it seems like. I want to be able to keep my irrigation pond full, so I'm gonna have about 4 to 4.5 feet of water over the top of my drain pipe. Obviously I'll have a lot deeper pool out here. I'll never be able to drain this pond dry, but I can put quite a bit of water over in the irrigation pond and the smallmouth pond. It's just taking a while. So today I'm hoping to get the pipe in. I got a smoking deal on some pipe. The problem is we're having to weld it all together. That's what we've been working on. I had one 21-foot piece already in my possession. Bought some 15-foot lengths, like a third of what they should have cost, because pipe's super expensive right now. And so hopefully we can get this all welded together. We're having some challenges this morning getting it lined up. We got the first piece, I feel like, lined up and straight. But then we're gonna put some anti-seep collars on there. I bought some sheet metal. I don't know if I'm gonna use that sheet metal or try to use those rubber ones like we put on these. I think anti-seep collars are gonna be really important. Yeah, that's my update. We're gonna work on this pipe today. Hopefully put some more dirt on. Well, we're about to hook up to the pipe and drag it over there. I'm getting a little nervous. It's going to roll down the hill. I'm working on it. I'm working on it.
What can I do to help you?
I don't know how to get it back out.
You scrape some of that on?
Yeah.
You can do it on the side. Do it on the side and then just try to move it over a little bit and then do the other side.
This was a really challenging process. I had no idea how deep to dig my hole trying to get this pipe to lay in there properly. I wanted it to be so high out on the pond side, but yet drain. And so we set it in there and it wasn't right. It was pretty flat and it was sticking way too high up on the pond side. So I didn't have my slope right in the pond dam. So we had to get it out of there, figure out a way to get it out and dig it down on the back side, which lowered the suction side, or the side the water will drain into. And we finally got it in there and we kept checking it with the, the laser level, and it ended up being really, really good. So it was pretty exciting to get that big piece of pipe in there, and I was pretty excited, to be honest with you. It never broke. We welded that thing together so many times, but we got it in there and it's going to work. What do you think? You think it's right? Jose says it's perfect. Let's see. Hey, it's close enough for me. Okay. Gotta get the anti-seep collars on it. Scoot the chain down to here. We can get one right here, one right there. That'd be perfect. We're getting close. Anti-seep collars. Hey, we'll need that hammer too, that big hammer to pack it.
Water?
We'll set this, set it right there. Thank you, sir. Anti-seep collars.
So we're trying to clean the pipe off. That's an old pipe. It had a lot of mud on it. And just to tell you a little bit about that anti-seep collar, you know, it's we cut a small round hole. We used a razor blade to do it. And, you know, it took me and Jose both, you know, sticking our hands inside it, trying to make that hole bigger to slide it up on that pipe. It's those anti-seep collars you got to be really, really careful with. I learned, you know, it's just a frame from putting the first ones in on the drain pipe, but we got them in there and slid both of them up there. That was really important.
Pick it up high enough to get it where we need it. Ditch?
Yeah, I think I'm a little bit back there.
Is the ditch clean?
Yeah.
So it's important that you know, we've got the ditch dug with the excavator, but then I had to dig 2 channels in that ditch a little deeper for those anti-seep collars. You know, just used a small shovel and dug it down another 1.5 feet. So those fit, you know, level and good, you know, so you had to dig 2 extra little hand ditches in there to make that all work.
Get the dozer and get to where he can go across here. You can go on. You want to work tomorrow or you want the day off? Let's check it again, see how think it's still there?
I think so. If you move it, probably move a couple inches. That's
It is what it is. Yeah, it's lower than it was, but it's alright.
Are we welding a screen on it?
No, we can't put no screen.
Okay.
It'll clog up. It just is what it is. There you go, I'll let you take that with you. Alright, man, I'm gonna put some dirt on this thing. I can get across here. Thank you, bud. Gonna call it a day. We got it in. I got the road back to where my cousin can get through there. You can see right there, I got the road in where my cousin can get through. So we got it in. We're gonna pack these collars in the morning. Those went a lot better than the first ones. If I can give you guys a tip on anti-seep collars, cut that circle. You know, they say don't cut an X, cut a circle. 33% of the pipe, I did it about a little smaller, and we just really took our time getting through there, but we got it in there and it worked good. So I think I'm in good shape. Thanks for following along. Man, it's hot today. It's like 100 degrees and no wind. But with that said, my drain pipe is now finished. I put a drain pipe in this pond to where I can keep that bottom pond full. You guys check this video out on how I did it. I added a couple cool things to it. If you ever go to do this, because I've done one before and it leaked, and I don't think this one's gonna leak. Check it out.